Accelerate your PCB layout from the start by quickly organizing and placing your components using Xpedition's intelligent component planning and placement capabilities. No more manually hunting down each reference designator. Quickly organize and place even complex PCB designs using intuitive placement groups. Simply select your predefined placement group and instantly generate a clean initial placement layout. Components can be placed individually or together as a grouped sequence, saving you significant time. Easily distribute components within your target area, maintaining the right spacing automatically while keeping key circuits grouped logically and efficiently. With integrated schematic cross-probing, quickly identify, select, and verify components. This intuitively links layout to schematic design, ensuring perfect accuracy at every step. Optimize your layout easily. Align, snap, and preview updates in real time, driving smarter placements and accelerating your entire design workflow from the earliest stages. Take advantage of user-defined groups to quickly route components using your design intuition to guide industry-leading routing automation. Start by selecting the group and layer that you want to route, then define a path with Draw a Sketch to finalize the route.